Thanksgiving is a time for gathering. It is a time for family and for food that warms the soul. This year, I invite you to try something wonderfully different. We will make an al-Baik-style turkey. This recipe takes the classic holiday bird and dresses it in the bold, friendly flavors of the Middle East. The skin becomes shatteringly crisp. The meat remains impossibly juicy. It is a taste that is both new and comforting. It is a small adventure for your holiday table. This is more than just a recipe. It is an invitation to create a new tradition, one that bridges worlds with every delicious bite. What exactly is an al-Baik-style turkey? The name comes from a famous style of chicken. It is known for its incredible crunch and its signature blend of garlic and spices. The outside is a celebration of texture and flavor. The magic of this recipe lies in its carefully chosen ingredients. Each one plays a specific, important role. The yogurt is our secret weapon for moisture. Yogurt's gentle acidity breaks down turkey proteins, making the meat incredibly tender. It also forms a protective layer, locking in juices during the long roast. Lemon juice complements the yogurt with a bright, zesty note. It cuts through richness and creates a fresh backdrop for the spices. This mix keeps even lean breast meat succulent, a common roasting challenge. Then come the spices, the soul of al-Baik style. Garlic powder, generous for that deep savory foundation. Paprika, for warm color and a smoky sweet note. Paprika is key to that golden red skin hue. Ground cumin adds earthy warmth. Coriander, fragrant complementary warmth. Salt, essential for amplifying flavors. Black pepper, rounds and seasons everything from the inside out. We also use olive oil in the marinade, or melted butter, both work. The fat transfers flavor and helps render a shatter-crisp skin as it roasts. Olive oil gives savory, fruity notes. Butter lends a richer, classic roast. Beneath the turkey, we build a simple aromatic base. Onion, roughly chopped. Carrots, roughly chopped. Celery, roughly chopped. These veggies form a natural rack, letting hot air circulate evenly. Juices drip onto the vegetables, mingling with their sweet, earthy flavors. That creates incredible pan drippings. Liquid gold. Those drippings are the perfect start for a deeply flavorful gravy. Before we begin marinating and roasting, let us gather everything we need. A little preparation makes the entire process smooth and enjoyable. The star is a 12 to 14 pound turkey, plus yogurt, olive oil or butter, and the juice of 2 lemons. 2 tablespoons garlic powder, 1 tablespoon paprika, 1 teaspoon each cumin and coriander, 1 tablespoon salt, black pepper, fresh rosemary, thyme, parsley. Tuck some inside for aroma. Use a rack, foil to tent, and a reliable meat thermometer. With tools ready, you are in complete control of your Thanksgiving masterpiece. The first step is creating our magical marinade. In a large bowl, plain yogurt, olive oil or melted butter, and freshly squeezed lemon juice. Whisk until smooth and emulsified. Now add the heart of our flavor profile: garlic powder, paprika, cumin, coriander, salt, and plenty of black pepper. Stir until a thick, fragrant paste forms, pale orange and inviting. Prepare the turkey, fully thawed. Remove giblets and pat it completely dry inside and out. Gently slide your fingers under the skin to make a pocket. Rub a portion of marinade directly onto the breast meat, then coat the entire exterior generously. Legs, wings, and back. Add a little inside the cavity if you have extra. Stuff with lemon wedges and sprigs of rosemary and thyme, a fragrance infusion. Place in a dish or roasting pan, cover tightly, and refrigerate at least 12 hours. For deepest flavor, marinate up to 24 hours as yogurt and spices tenderize the meat. This patient rest builds the foundation for an exceptional turkey. When you are ready to cook, preheat the oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit, 165 Celsius. Prepare the pan with roughly chopped onion, carrots, and celery, then set a rack on top. Place the turkey breast side up and loosely tent with foil to protect the skin. Roast about 15 minutes per pound. A 12-pound bird takes roughly 3.5 to 4 hours. Keep it covered most of the time. Remove the foil about 45 minutes before the end to brown and crisp. Use a meat thermometer. Insert into the thickest part of the thigh without touching bone. The thigh should read 170 to 175 Fahrenheit, the breast 165, and stuffing, if used, also 165. Remove from the oven, transfer to a board, and tent lightly with foil. Let it rest 20 to 30 minutes so the juices redistribute and every slice stays moist. If you carve too soon, juices run out and meat dries. Be patient. It is worth the wait. Your magnificent Albic-style turkey is rested and ready. Now it is time to present it. Close-up of shatter-crisp skin and steam from juicy meat. Carve the breast meat into thin slices against the grain. Separate the legs and thighs and serve them as larger, heartier pieces. Arrange everything on a large platter, garnished with fresh herbs. To complement the unique flavors, add a few special sides. Creamy mashed potatoes are a classic. Try swirling in toum for a Middle Eastern kick. A spicy sausage and herb stuffing pairs wonderfully. Go beyond traditional gravy. Offer pan drippings gravy, a vibrant garlic dip, and a simple spicy chili sauce, shatta. Add cranberry sauce for contrast, roasted carrots and parsnips with za'atar, and a crisp salad with lemon tahini vinaigrette. This Albec-style turkey respects tradition while embracing something new. Moist from yogurt, warmly spiced yet comforting. Be adventurous without sacrificing comfort. Marinate overnight. Use a thermometer and always let it rest. Happy cooking, and may your table be filled with delicious food and wonderful company. Visit albikemenupakistan.com.